Hello everyone, Ranjita here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another video in the series of DIY craft supply videos that I have been making. If you haven't checked the previous ones, don't forget to check them. I'll leave the link to the playlist below. Today I am going to show you how you can make your own chalk paints. Yes, you heard it right. Chalk paints in any shade you wish to have. Simple, hassle-free technique with just 2 ingredients. So just let's get started. For making your own chalk paints, all you require is acrylic colors in the shade you wish to have. Here I am taking the regular acrylic colors. You can also mix the ideal shade you wish to have. And you will also need plaster of Paris or gypsum. In case if you do not have this, you can also alternate it with baby powder. But this is a very inexpensive product that you can easily get it in any hardware shop nearby. So I'm taking an empty jar here because I was planning a couple of products and I require a quite good amount of paint. So I am taking a jar and making my DIY chalk paint here. So I'm taking 1 spoon of plaster of Paris or gypsum here. And then I will also add 2 spoons of paint. So this is the ratio that you need to calculate. 1 spoon of plaster of Paris with 2 spoons of paint. Since I already told you that I will be requiring a larger quantity of this paint to make many projects, I will show you in the coming videos. So I'm taking 3 scoops of plaster of Paris here, and in the same ratio I will be adding 6 spoons of paint here. So this you should be adding in a ratio of 1:2, 1 part of plaster of Paris and 2 parts of paint. That's it. That is all you have to do to make your own chalk paints. And in order to adjust the consistency, you might have to add a little water also. Now I am done adding 6 spoons of paint here according to the ratio that I was making my paint with. I have taken 3 spoons of plaster of Paris and I've added 6 spoons of paint. To this I will be adding some water. The amount of water that you have to add into this mixture is entirely dependent on the thickness of the acrylic paint that you're using. So don't go blindly by the ratio that I am using here. Just go by the consistency that you wish to have your chalk paint to have. Once that I have added my plaster of Paris, paint and water, I'm going to carefully mix the entire mixture so that there are no lumps in the mixture. I'm going to take my time and carefully mix it until it gets into a uniform consistency. The chalk paint is ready in the exact consistency that I wanted my chalk paint to be. It is not very thick and it's not very flowy as well. So since our chalk paint is ready, we'll go ahead and make a quick DIY for the upcoming Diwali. So here I have taken some MDF bases in a flower shape. I'm going to make diya stands with them. So you can see here my chalk paint is ready. You do not have to have any settling time. You can just use it right away. I'm coating these MDF bases with my chalk paint. As you can see here, just a single brush stroke and absolutely opaque, beautiful finish and beautiful coverage here. This is the best way you can make your own chalk paints in whatever shade you wish to have. So don't go on buying different shades of chalk paint from now on. I think you will definitely benefit with this video of mine. So I'm going ahead and painting all these flower bases completely on both sides with the chalk paint. By the way, if you're new to this crafting world and if you're wondering what are chalk paints, then here is a quick introduction for what are chalk paints. Chalk paints are very versatile paints. They are known for their matte chalky finish. One of its biggest advantages is that it does not require any prior preparation of the surface. It can be directly painted right over most clean dry surfaces like wood, plastic, glass, many more. It is water based, so cleaning your brushes is never a hassle. These paints are known for being relatively thick and opaque, thus making it a popular choice by many artists to finish their home decor projects. So as you can see here, I am done painting both my diya bases here on both the sides with the chalk paint that I have made. Once this chalk paint is completely dry, I am going to go ahead and give it a coat of varnish. Chalk paint dries very quickly, so you do not have to wait for too long. All you have to do is give a good coat of varnish before moving ahead to the next step. My bases are completely ready. They have been dried and varnished and ready for the next step. I'm taking these metal frames and also these tea light candle holders. With the help of a strong adhesive, here I'm taking E6000. You can take any strong adhesive that is suitable for sticking this. I'm taking the strong adhesive, just adding a little of the glue here, and I'm sticking these metal frames here. They're easily available in the market. Onto this, I'm adding my candle holder here again. Very quick DIY, but it brings in so much more beauty to your Diwali decor. I hope this was of some inspiration to you and you will give this a try. You can see here my candle holders are ready. Quick, easy and very beautiful personalized Diwali decor will be ready in just few minutes. So don't worry about buying tons of chalk paints in different shades. You can make your own chalk paints. You can see the finished project here. I loved how they turned out. Quick, easy and beautiful personalized home decor for my Diwali. I hope you will definitely give this a try and I was of some inspiration to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you haven't done it yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on my social media where I share much more craft inspiration there. Thank you.